हाय एवरीवन, मैं हूं सीमा और आज हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं व्हाट आर द मेन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ मैटर। सो व्हाट आर द मेन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ मैटर? We all know that matter is made up of very small particles. They are either molecule or atoms or ions. So we have the particle nature of matter. The particle are either molecules or atom or ions. All the matter are made up of either molecules or atom or ions. So we have to discuss in this class what are the particle nature of matter. The particle nature of matter is first, they are very small in size. The particles of matter are exist in very small size. For this, we are taking an example. We have the solution of KMnO4. What is this? This is potassium permanganate. We have the solution of potassium permanganate in water. In this activity, what are we taken? We are taking the 2 or 3 crystals of potassium permanganate in water. This is water and these are the crystal of KMnO4. What we have? We have the solution of potassium permanganate, which is pinkish in color. Then, when we add more water to this solution, what we add? More water to this solution. Then what we have? We have the lighter color of the solution, but we never get the plain water color, which is white. Means the very small size of matter. Which matter? Here we have the crystals of KMnO4. मीन्स यहाँ पर हमारे पास जो पार्टिकल का साइज है बहुत स्मॉल हो गया है, जो कि एंड तक लाइट पिंकिश कलर देता है, वो कभी व्हाइट कलर नहीं देगा. मीन्स द फर्स्ट पार्टिकल नेचर ऑफ वाटर, दे आर वेरी स्मॉल इन साइज. ठीक है. द सेकेंड नेचर, the particle of matter have space between them. What is the second characteristics of particle nature of matter is? They have space between them. We all know that the particles are binded to each other when they form a matter, but they also have space between them. What we have example for that is water. What is the chemical formula of water is H2O. H2O means two part of hydrogen and one part of oxygen. They are binded and form water. Thus, what we have the structure of water is just like that. Then, in one molecule, we have certain space between them. Now we are making a solution of salt and water. What we have here, when we this is water and we add 1 spoon of salt to it. What we have? We have in the chemical structure, we have some space between the molecules of water. Then what will happen when we add the salt to it? Then the space between them is covered with the salt powder. Then when this activity we have done, what we have? We have when we measure the when we mark the water level before adding the salt, then suppose we mark for 40 ml. Then after adding 1 ml of salt to it, then what will happen? The water level is not increased. Why? Because the salt which we are adding to it is goes to the empty space of water. Then after adding salt, we have saved 40 ml of solution. Then by this exercise, we are clearing that the particle of matter has space between them. The third characteristic of particle nature is the particles are constantly in moving are constantly moving. So the particles are constantly moving. What is the example for this is when we all have अगरबत्ती in our houses. So क्या होता है जब हम कोई भी अगरबत्ती को जलाते हैं, ठीक है, what will happen when we burn a अगरबत्ती stick? The fragrance of the stick goes throughout all the room, means the particle in that agarbatti comes in gaseous form and move throughout the room. So the particles are constantly moving. So what is the example of it? Now we have the fourth nature of particle, which is intermolecular force between the particles. हम सभी जानते हैं पार्टिकल्स जब इकट्ठा होंगे बहुत सारे तब जाकर एक बड़ा पार्टिकल और मैटर फॉर्म होगा। तो जब वो मिलेंगे when they get combined together तो क्या होगा, उनके बीच एक फोर्स होगा जिस फोर्स के कारण ही वो एक दूसरे से बाइंड हो पाएंगे। सो द फोर्स बिटवीन देम इज नोन एज इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्स between matter. So if we are taken example for this is when we have iron rod तो क्या होगा, when we are hammering to it continuously then this is not break easily because the intermolecular force of the particle is strong, but at the same time when we are taking an example of chalk then what will happen, on a single hammering it will break into parts, then the intermolecular force of chalk is less while they both are solid but they are tightly pegged to each other, but in the chalk they have space between them. So here we have all the particle nature of matter. Thank you everyone.
हाँ 2x तक